You have a one-stop shop web platform going on.
Yes, that is correct. Maybe before we go to the one-stop shop platform, the vision behind it is quite simple. Every company's success starts and ends with their employees' wellness and well-being. So for that reason, yes, we developed a one-stop shop web platform where we connect more than 200 providers of sports, wellness, and education with companies who wish to do something more for their employees.
That's why I asked you like this. You make it sound so simple, but for example, for large companies such as Bitstamp, it's not as simple to provide everything you can.
I'll say it like this: it's very simple for the companies when we come in. It's not very simple for us, but that's why we're here. So we offload this barrier of the companies. So we provide every administrative work. We talk with their employees, with the customers, and we do everything in a very simple, elegant way, so the company can focus on what they do, their core business, and they let this part of it to us. So yes, as you said, Bitstamp is one of our core customers, and these are kind of the customers that we're also looking for. So many employees across the country that really need that help across various places in Slovenia.
We maybe can take a step back to focus on the mentality behind the idea. Why is it important to take care of the well-being of your employees?
Well, most importantly, I would say happy employees make for better employees. I could also say there is a pinch of personal investment here. So me and Denis are both very, what's the right word? We're driven for our personal reasons. We see that this kind of product is missing in Slovenia, and we see that not only we can grow as ourselves through it, but we can also improve the health situation in Slovenia, the well-being situation, so that the companies really step up and provide something for their employees.
And you come from Primorski Technology Park. How important was it as an environment?
Most importantly, we don't live in Primorska, so we drove there from Ljubljana in Celje, so it was quite a ride. We had a lot of interesting conversations on the way, and we met interesting people that really helped us make that next step. Really wonderful people and a good environment to start. So in any case, we said we need to take upon this offer and offer that.
And so maybe as an advice, it's nice to have entrepreneurs around you in the very start.
Most definitely it helps if you have a co-founder, so you have a shoulder to cry on. But yes, if you have an environment where you can talk about these issues, it's very helpful. We had a lot of productive conversations that just kind of spin off, and we could go for hours and hours.
But you are not crying just now, you are aggregating all offers from over 200 providers. What is the vision for the future?
So for starters, Slovenia does not have such a product. We start here, we see what we can develop, that we can bring this to the full potential. And afterwards, we see the competition in Europe is quite heated. There is similar products providing this kind of service, but they are not very focused. They are not tailor-made. They are more or less general. So we're looking to expand this maybe into the direction of making a really tailor-made product for the company, so that they can scan their employees, see where the problems are, and maybe improve that health picture.
Are you receiving any funding already, or looking forward to something?
Currently, we're just looking for connections, good ideas, feedback. We are bootstrapping. As I said, we have quite a few customers. Bitstamp, Goniska Bank, Outfit 7 are amongst our customers already. So we're not looking to jump too fast, but we're very open to connections and conversations.
And where can we find out more about you, of course? Stand?
We have the website, so you can find us on every connection available to mankind.
Let's connect then. Thank you very much.